woman convicted in connection to the murder of Jennifer Farber-Dulos is back in court. Michelle Troconis wants to get out of prison. She also wants a new trial. She is the only person convicted in the 2019 disappearance and death of Dulos, a New Canaan mother of 5. Troconis is currently serving 14 and a half years behind bars. Her legal team argues her previous attorney was ineffective and that violated her constitutional rights. NBC Connecticut's Kevin Geis explains what happened in court today in Vernon.
Another packed courtroom for day one of Michelle Troconis' habeas trial. The petition itself centers around the idea that her first attorney, Andrew Bowman, was ineffective in his counsel before her arrest and directly after her arrest. He was the first witness to take the stand.
You know, that if she wanted to talk to them, she could talk to them, but there are big risks in talking to them, and you know, she could stop talking at any time, but my advice at that time was don't talk to him.
A petition centered around claims by Michelle Troconis that her first attorney, Andrew Bowman, was ineffective, the center of the habeas trial that kicked off Monday in Vernon. Troconis' current attorney for the trial, Michael Brown, pressing on Bowman's decision-making ahead of and following her arrest.
That if you talk to them, you know, they're going to use whatever you say to them against you.
Bowman says he counseled her through her interviews with police. Those interviews ended up being major evidence in her trial in 2023. Bowman telling the court he was a firm no on Troconis speaking with police, but later changed course following a conversation with then state's attorney Richard Colangelo.
She's lying. We want her cooperation. If she's not going to cooperate, if we find Jennifer's body, we're going to charge her with accessory murder.
Bowman explained he felt Troconis could offer information to the state that would be key in the prosecution of Fotis Dulos and could potentially secure protections or lesser charges. But she needed to be honest with investigators and be a credible cooperator. He says this was part of his reason for allowing her to speak multiple times with police. Bowman maintains his counsel was sufficient and he felt things were turning in Troconis' favor until Fotis died.
That was the most devastating event, his suicide, as far as Michelle was concerned.
The trial itself will pick up again on Friday in Vernon. Kevin Geis, NBC Connecticut News.